Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be reviewing ytjobs, a freelance platform that's been getting some attention lately. If you're someone looking for online work opportunities or a business owner searching for freelancers, you might be wondering whether ytjobs is worth your time. So let's go through what this platform is, how it works, its pros, cons, and whether it's a good option for you. ytjobs is essentially a freelance marketplace designed to connect clients with freelancers across different categories, similar to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can find jobs related to content creation, digital marketing, video editing, graphic design, and many other online services. One thing that stands out is that the platform seems to have a focus on creative and digital jobs, especially those linked to YouTube and online content, which makes it a bit more niche than some of the bigger marketplaces. Getting started is fairly straightforward. Freelancers can create a profile, showcase their skills, and apply for jobs that match their expertise. Clients can post projects, set budgets, and choose from the list of available freelancers. The platform also includes a rating and review system, which helps build trust between buyers and sellers, so over time, your profile can become stronger as you complete more projects successfully. When it comes to advantages, one of the biggest pros is that the platform appears less saturated compared to giants like Fiverr or Upwork. That means new freelancers may have a better chance of standing out and landing their first projects. Another plus is the niche focus on digital content, which can be helpful if you're targeting clients in that specific industry. It also provides an opportunity for beginners to practice their skills and gradually build an online career. However, there are some downsides you should consider. Because it's a smaller platform, the number of available projects might be limited, especially compared to the bigger workplaces. This can mean slower opportunities and more waiting time between gigs. Also, since it's still growing, payment security, dispute resolution, and long-term stability are things you'll want to keep an eye on. Freelancers should always make sure they understand the platform's rules, fees, and payout process before committing fully. Overall, ytjobs can be a decent choice if you're just starting out in freelancing and want to get some early projects without facing massive competition. It's especially good if your skills are in video editing, YouTube support, or other creative online services. But if you're looking for a wide variety of job opportunities or a platform with a proven track record, you may still want to keep Fiverr and Upwork as your main options. So, to sum up, ytjobs is a growing freelance platform with potential, but it comes with both opportunities and limitations. It could be worth exploring, especially if you're in the creative field and want to stand out in a smaller community. Just make sure to approach it carefully, keep your expectations realistic, and always have backup options for finding clients online. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.